So, good morning everyone. It was raining all night and it's gonna rain all day. So, got some rain gear on and my umbrella. Because umbrella is not that big, so I'll get wet arms. So, see? So it'll be a fun day. Like a Dutch walking day, only with hills. So, a long climb up, and I just got my in-reach weather forecast. It's 100% humidity, heavy rain until 4 o'clock, and yeah, about 5-6 degrees. So not too bad, a bit like Dutch weather. The only problem is with 100% humidity that you're sweating, but it can go anywhere. So, and your jacket just keeps the heat in, but if you take it off, it takes your heat away, but it won't dry. So yeah, it doesn't matter actually. You get wet anyway. So that's the problem with 100% humidity. It's also the problem from Washington. But I got some nice views, and the rain is still vertical instead of horizontal. So I'm gonna show you the views. Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh yeah, that looks good. Ooh, hello, I'm up here. Raindrops are falling on my head. Da 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 da. Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah, I think I like rain. Woohoo! Puddle jumping! Oh yeah, Stargate. Where's my puddle jumper when I need one? Oh, going up again. Da 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 da. Raindrops are falling on my head. Kookaroo! You can see we going along the river on an edge with snow, and pretty tricky with all the rocks. Still walking in the rain, and with a tough section near the river with snow and rocks and slippery stuff. So now I've got a little bit of relief. A little bit of relief in that with less rocks. The water just switched my phone off. So behind me is Waldo, Skip Town and Spoonless. So they're following us. The two douwtrappers from the Netherlands. Lekker met je laarzen in de drek, in de polder. So, yeah, still raining, very wet. Even I got wet feet now because my Gore-Tex has some damage from my feet. So, and then the leather is just, yeah, all the snow seal is off because of the snow. So I get moist feet now. Not very wet, but moist. And 100% humidity, so no drying today. We're gonna do a river crossing, but this is the water. Because of the rain, it's like double as high and very deep and very strong current. We found a log, so let's see if we can cross that one. Sitting under a tree, having a break with a few other people.
Hello everybody!
Waldo over there, and we got Spoonless and Skip Town. And then Easy Rider is doing something. Hey, river crossing! I think it's easy crawling now instead of easy riding.
Did you do one ball or no balls? I'm doing no balls.
What do you think this is?
Yay! Woo!
No, don't make it!
I think you might have to crawl. It's a bit. Oh, let's see Waldo.
That's a very slippery pole.
I don't know if I want. Yeah, I wouldn't walk it.
Might that be slippery?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's very deep.
Race instead of
it moves?
bumping down right here. And then there's nowhere to put your poles.
All kinds of adventures.
Very deep.
It's even deep on the other side. I thought we were there.
I know. We start walking way up there.
No, you can't do that, Waldo. Oh, this will be fun. Take your pants off. Yeah.
Really steep over there.
And it is very deep.
Walk up there. I'm a little afraid about this being caught.
Okay, walking, walking, walking. Yay. It's lots of rain, so the rivers are like 3 times bigger. The entire path is waterlogged. There was water on the path all the time. So, lakes out of nowhere. Getting pretty tired. So, I think it's time for a lunch break. So, find a dry spot. If I can find one. Okay, this will be the next crossing. That's not looking very promising with all the rain coming down. It's nah, not looking very good. Yeah, there's the log we want to cross. Next river crossing, yay! See, well, I found myself a water crossing. I can't cross because of the rain. It's like 4 times wider or something. So I'm gonna check it out. Moet je die kant op? Good luck. I got bare feet. Woo! Oh man, how do we get there? Guess what? I was not able to cross this one. Not at this moment, because it goes to here. So my buddy Easy Rider, well, he went up to here and he went to the other side. But I'm not gonna do that. I'm setting up the tent over here. It's still wet from the morning. Hope it dries a little bit. Starts drying. And I've got crazy from the mosquitoes because they're out in full force and they're trying to bite me. So, go away. So, yeah, it's not possible to cross at the moment. Good morning, everyone. Okay, there we go again. I just still have to pack up my tent, but first I gotta check the water crossing. And it seems that it's a bit better now. It's way better. It's way better. So, oh, it will be very, very chilly. Okay, yesterday I couldn't walk here, and now I can walk way more. Oh man, this will be chilly. This will be chilly. I'm still in my watercross stuff. Brr. Okay, there you go. Ooh, it will be chilly. Oh, it looks deep. Still looks deep. There's a bit of a bridge thing over there. Stones. Ooh. Ooh. Yep, deep. God damn it. Okay, I'm on the other side. Okay, now dry off. Okay, crossing done. Still got wet pants and wet shirt and everything. So let's see how far we get. Whew. Got cold feet now. Whew. Seems everybody is here. I got all the tents. I didn't expect this. Look at all the tents, everybody's here. I think they all made the crossing and got very, very wet. Quite obvious why everybody is over here, because there's another river we have to cross. And this is early morning, it's still pretty big. So I'm gonna see if I can get it to cross now. It won't be easy. Okay, I am the first one over the water. That came, just under the balls, actually. Yeah. And all the others are still on the other side. But now they have seen me, I was the guinea pig. Ooh, okay. I'm the first one on the other side. And I'm gonna walk a bit because I'm getting very, very cold. And the sun is shining. Oh, or the sun is going to shine. It's nice. Oh no, it's already the end of the video, already! So, but no worries, I have a lot more coming up. If you hit this bell icon, you get a notification when I post something new. And please like the video so other hikers and other people can find my videos easy. So that's helping the YouTube, Google stuff, something, engine thing, blah blah blah. So just, yeah, put on a like, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and I'm gonna make videos, I'm gonna post them for you. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.